Emma, are you okay? You look uncomfortable.
My stomach hurts a little.
Since when?
Since this morning, after breakfast.
Did you eat something unusual?
I ate spicy chips last night.
That might be the reason. Try to rest for now.
Okay, I hope it goes away soon.
How are you feeling now?
My stomach pain is getting worse.
Oh no, can you describe the pain?
It feels sharp, especially when I move.
Did you drink enough water today?
Not really.
You should drink some water and avoid junk food.
All right, I'll try.
I think we should call the doctor.
Do you think it's serious?
I'm not sure, but the pain has lasted all day.
Hello. What seems to be the problem?
My daughter has severe stomach pain.
How long has she been feeling this way?
Since this morning, and it keeps getting worse.
Does she have a fever or nausea?
She feels a little nauseous.
Has she eaten anything unusual recently?
She ate a lot of junk food yesterday evening. It feels sharp sometimes.
All right. I recommend bringing her to the clinic for a checkup.
Should we come immediately?
Yes, it's better not to wait too long. Hello, Emma. I'm going to examine your stomach.
Okay, doctor, but it hurts a lot.
I'll be gentle. Tell me if the pain gets stronger.
All right.
Does it hurt here on the right side?
Yes, that spot hurts the most.
She hasn't eaten properly all day either.
Has she been vomiting?
No, but she feels nauseous.
Emma, have you had stomach infections before?
No, this is the first time.
I'd like to run a few tests, just to be safe.
What kind of tests?
Just simple tests. They won't take very long.
Mom, I'm really nervous right now.
I know, sweetheart, but everything will be okay.
What if the doctor finds something serious?
Let's not think negatively before we know the results.
I just want this pain to stop.
I understand. You've been very brave today.
Thank you for waiting patiently.
Doctor, did the test results come?
Yes, they did.
Is something seriously wrong with my daughter?
No, don't worry. It looks like a stomach infection.
Really, that's all?
Yes, but she still needs proper treatment and rest.
That's such a relief.
I was so scared for a moment.
You came at the right time, which is very important.
I'm glad we came to the clinic.
I'm going to prescribe medicine for your infection.
Will the medicine stop the pain quickly?
You should start to feel better in a day or two.
How often should she take the medicine?
Twice a day after meals.
Does the medicine taste bad?
Maybe a little, but it will help you recover.
I guess I can handle that.
You also need to avoid spicy and oily foods.
No spicy chips?
Definitely no spicy chips for now.
I told you junk food would cause problems someday.
I know, Mom. I learned my lesson.
Eat light foods like soup, rice, and bananas.
Okay, doctor. I'll follow your advice carefully.
Thank you for helping my daughter.
You're welcome. She should recover soon.
Good morning, Emma. How are you feeling today?
Much better than yesterday, actually.
That's wonderful news.
My stomach still hurts a little, but not as much.
Did you take your medicine after breakfast?
Yes, I took it with warm tea.
Good job. Are you feeling hungry now?
A little bit. I think I can finally eat properly again.
I made some soup for you.
Thanks, Mom. It smells really good.
You need to keep resting for another day or two.
I know, but I'm already getting bored at home.
Your health comes first.
You're right. I just want to feel normal again soon.
You're recovering very well.
Thanks for taking care of me the whole time. Mom, guess what? My stomach doesn't hurt anymore.
Really, that's amazing news.
I feel completely normal again.
I'm so happy to hear that.
Thank you for helping me and staying with me at the clinic.
Of course, Emma, I'll always take care of you.
I was really scared when the pain got worse.
I was worried too, but everything turned out fine.
I definitely learned something from this experience.
And what did you learn?
Not to eat too much junk food. And to tell you immediately when I feel sick.
That is a very smart lesson.
Can we go to the park today since I'm feeling better?
Yes, but only if you promise to eat healthy food afterward.
Deal.
I'm proud of you, Emma.
Thanks, Mom. I'm just happy the stomach pain is finally gone.
We should celebrate your recovery with a nice, healthy dinner tonight.
That sounds great. I'm actually feeling hungry again.
Maybe tomorrow you can go back to school if you still feel well.
I can't wait to see my friends and tell them I'm feeling better now.
If you enjoyed this conversation, please hit the like button and subscribe to Easy English with HK. Your support means a lot and helps us create more helpful videos for you.